Taking full advantage of the ongoing conflict in Manipur, the Indigenous Tribal Leaders Forum Itlf has reportedly enforced its control over Churachandpur. First by renaming the district as Lamka, and second by issuing entry passes for people entering the area. According to sources, the Itlf Defense Department has been issuing passes that require individuals to provide detailed personal information, including address, phone number, Aadhaar number, and the purpose of entry. A specific entry pass issued on September 9 to a person named Fahim Khan, a goods supplier from Uttar Pradesh with receipt number 2592, has been exposed. The pass was confirmed by an individual named Manipuri and was signed by Itlf Kuki Chiefs Association and Kuki Imphal Churachandpur. The move has sparked suspicions that Itlf's action are part of a broader plan to claim Churachandpur as a territory exclusive to only Kuki community, as organizations like Itlf are given free hand to carry out activities without interference from authorities.